Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android Auto not working. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you're having issues with Android Auto here, let's just say it's not working properly, well, the first thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that your connection is pretty good. So meaning maybe try a different USB cable if you have your Android device connected or wired. So in this case, try a different wire first and see if that actually helps. So sometimes it's just a hardware or a wire issue. But just in case that does not work for you, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to edit or change a few things inside the app. So first thing is you want to go to Google Play Store, search for Android Auto, and just make sure that you have the latest version. Now, typically, if you don't have the latest version, you should see the option here that says Update. So go ahead and just click on Update if you do see one inside Google Play Store, and just start your phone and see if that actually helps. Now, if not, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to Settings, and you want to go ahead and look for the option for Apps. And from here, go ahead and click on Search Apps. Just type in Android Auto. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and make sure to provide certain permissions here. So you want to go to App Permissions, and you want to make sure that you allow all the necessary permissions here. Like, for example, if you do see one of the permissions in the Not Allowed section, go and just click on it, and just make sure that it's actually set to Allow. Now, another thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that notifications is set to show notifications. So you should be able to see certain notifications inside Android Auto. And also, you may want to click on the option here that says Clear Data at the bottom right and click on Clear Cache. Now, go ahead and click on OK. And once you've done that, go ahead and start your phone and see if that actually helps. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.